Hello everybody and welcome back to Alisa's Cup of Tea channel. If you are subscribed and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Alisa and I make videos related to beauty, motherhood and lifestyle. In this video I will be going through some of the skincare products that I have used in the past maybe 6 months or so. I've been accumulating them just to share with you guys the things that I've been loving and things that may not work for me. So let's see what I will repurchase or I may have already repurchased. I really enjoy watching videos like that because it actually gives me a very good idea about how much people like or dislike a certain product. Around December I really decided to step up my skincare game and I've bought multiple products for anti-aging, for boosting my skin, and I am very excited to share these products with you. Just as a general information, I consider my skin type pretty normal. It's not oily at all. If anything, it might be on the drier side, but I think I do a very good job of keeping it pretty balanced. So I guess I will just start with some of the products and I will go in order of how you're supposed to do your skincare. So I don't really have any cleanser, but I have a like micellar water. So this one is cleansing water from Loccitane brand, and if I don't pronounce brand names properly, just let me know in the comments and I will improve next time. So I really like this brand overall and I think they have very good quality products. So it says it is enriched with shea butter, very good product, and I was actually ready to repurchase it, but then I realized that they discontinued this particular one, so I went for something else. So another product, another toner that I did used up is toner from Badescu, and this one is with witch hazel and rose water. To be honest, I didn't really like this product because it was very scented. It smelled very much like, I guess, rose, and that floral scent is too much. You know, when you're doing your night skin routine, you don't want to have like those very strong scents, at least I don't, and I did not really like this toner because of the scent. So another toner that I am about to finish is from Tidal brand, and it is very nice and I really enjoy it right now. So next let's go to serums. So one of my most expensive serum that I have is from Estee Lauder, is Advanced Night Repair Serum. You know, it's supposed to do all sorts of anti-aging things for your skin, and I did feel the difference in the morning after when I was using it the night before. I really enjoy it. However, it's very expensive. I think this bottle, which is only 1.7 fluid ounces, it was like more than $100. So I don't think I will repurchase it again, and this was a gift in the first place. So a very nice product, but I'm not going to buy it again. So next we have a Good Genes lactic treatment from Sunday Riley. I actually really like this brand. I think they make very good products, kind of on the pricey side of course, but I just feel like their product really works. So this one is a very gentle exfoliator. It's like a serum that you're supposed to apply in the morning and in the night, followed by moisturizer. I really felt like my skin was super smooth after that, so it helps with texture and overall I guess the appearance of your skin makes it very even. So really nice, this product. It's very, again, expensive, so for 1 fluid ounce I think it's more than $100 also, but I really saw more effects from this treatment than from the Estee Lauder. Right now I have another sort of exfoliating serum that I'm using, and after I'm done with that serum I may go back to this one again. So since now we are on a treatment type of note, so I have two CEO Glow facial oils from Sunday Riley also. So these are vitamin C serums, but in the oil form. And so this one I got it was like a set for Christmas, and I really enjoyed it, so I bought a 0.5 fluid ounces, like a full-size one. I really go through them very fast. That's a drawback, but I really like this product, and I think I will repurchase this. So since it's an oil form, it may not work for everybody. So for example, when I was using it in the morning, it was making my face, of course, a little slippery. So then when I was applying my makeup, I felt like my foundation wasn't really staying on my face so it was affecting the longevity of my foundation, and it made my face a little shinier than usual, which I'm okay with that, but I know many people will not be okay with it because people like to look matte. So maybe this product will be better to use it at night for some people, but I was using it in the morning because at night I use retinol, so I don't want to really mix them together. But I really recommend, especially for people with dry skin. I think that will be a very good product. So talking about retinol, I had this also like a travel size A+ from Sunday Riley. So I am 31, so it's good to start using retinols. So this was my first retinol in my life. So I don't think I saw a lot of crazy results, but with retinols, you're supposed to use them for a very long time to see results, like the reduction in your wrinkles, fine lines, and things like that. So this was just a travel size, and after that I bought Murad retinol cream, and I'm actually almost finished with that one, and now I have another one. So I'm just trying different brands at this point of retinols and see what I like. So in the future I will update you with what retinol I like the most. So another toner that I did not mention, this one is 5% glycolic acid Pixie Glow Toner. Is a very popular toner that I actually picked up in Target. So this is glycolic acid. It's supposed to really like exfoliate your skin and get rid of all the buildup that you have on the surface of your skin. I think I liked it. Obviously it's kind of drying type of toner, so after that you really have to like calm your skin and moisturize, but this one is pretty weak, only 5% of glycolic acid, which is great for beginners. So that was my first exfoliating toner that I ever used. So I think it's not a bad product, but I don't think I'll repurchase this one again. So speaking of exfoliation, I have this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This one is like a mud mask that you're supposed to apply. You see, I'm completely out of it. Supposed to apply on your skin, wait till it dries, and it dries like a lighter color, and supposed to penetrate in your pores and really clean all the oils inside of your pores. So I think it has AHAs and BHAs together, so it's a pretty strong actually mask. I really feel like a burning sensation when I do use it, and when I wash it off, my skin becomes like a little reddish, which is okay because then this redness goes away in like a couple minutes. But I just want to mention it that if you have maybe very sensitive skin, maybe this will not work for you. But I really like it because I really feel like it unclogs all the pores and helps with if you have like some sort of pimple or breakout happening. I think it does dry it out. Because it's so strong, I don't use it often. I use it like once a week, and I really like it, so I did repurchase a new one. So I'm already using a new bottle. And then we move on to moisturizers. So first I'll talk about this It Cosmetics. This is like a travel size gel lotion, and it came with as a gift for something I ordered. I think it was pretty nice actually. I think for people with maybe oily skin it would be great because this is oil-free type of lotion, very lightweight. I feel like it's very summery, it's not thick at all, so it's like a day sort of moisturizer. It's very nice. I think it's great, but I don't really need it because I have tons of other moisturizers at this point. So another thing that I kind of enjoyed, but I will not be repurchasing just because I have a lot of day moisturizers right now. So this one is Cicapair Tiger Grass color correcting treatment, and this one is great because it has broad spectrum SPF, and it also is a color correct, so it has a little tint to it, so it is kind of greenish color. But then once you apply it on your skin and you work it out in your face, then it becomes your skin color. After that you can use it as actually a base for your makeup. You don't even need to use primer. That's what it says here. And because it already has a little bit of color correction, you may even not want to use foundation. You may just go straight to some powders and proceed with your makeup. However, this type of color treatment will not work for people with darker skin tones. It will definitely leave a very white cast because this is a mineral sunscreen, and I've seen people reviewing this product and you can clearly see that you see some sort of white product on your face, so just keep this in mind. And then I have a night moisturizer, so I have one from Clinique. So this one is Turnaround Overnight Revitalizing Moisturizer. So I felt like it was pretty nice, very basic night moisturizer. That how I would describe it. Nothing fancy that I noticed. Good thing it has no fragrance. I feel like it was very calming, very nice. So overall I am very happy with this one. And then I have another night moisturizer from Estee Lauder, so it's a Night Wear Plus, and this one's supposed to be antioxidant night detox cream. So completely gone. So it had like very whipped texture, which I don't necessarily like in my night creams. I prefer my night creams to be on the heavier side, so I feel like my face is really moisturized and it's gonna be covered during sleep, and it will be like working and nourishing my face during sleep. So I don't think I would purchase this one again. This one had like a very pleasant, mild, like green scent to it. So that what I think it was like a cucumber sort of scent. I really enjoyed, so it wasn't anything harsh. Another cream that I actually missed, so this one is Tidal water cream. It's also from Sunday Riley. So that one is enzyme water cream. It's great for oily skin because it's like very lightweight, and obviously I think it's oil free. So again, it's not my style. Even for morning skincare routine, I prefer more oilier type of creams rather than water creams. So it's nice, but it's something I will not be purchasing myself. And then I have two eye creams. So one is hyaluronic eye cream from Mario Badescu, or Badescu, let me know. So this one is very lightweight for your eyes, and I feel like it's definitely like a day type of eye cream because it's just like it hydrates your under eye, so kind of prepares you for your makeup. But I don't think there's any sort of active ingredients that will work with your fine lines or anything like that. Another eye cream I had is from Sunday Riley. I had it like also like as a travel size. Same thing, it was like for morning. It had like a brightening effect, so it had like those little shimmery particles in it, and it was pretty nice. Yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about that one. And the last item I have is a foot cream from Loccitane brand. This one is 15% shea butter. To me, this is the best foot cream hands down. Like, I love this brand for hand cream and for foot cream. I think I will never buy anything else again because I've tried so many foot creams, you know, drugstore brands and more expensive ones, that nothing works for me. I hate this feeling of like there's something like oily on my feet. I don't know why, but this one doesn't feel like that. I do feel like it's really moisturizing, but at the same time I don't have this heavy oily feeling on my feet, like, because I hate having this feeling and then go to sleep with this feet covered with cream. So I really recommend buying a full size of this, and I actually bought a full size and it's on my nightstand right now. And this is it for my skincare video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you're interested in seeing maybe something else like body care or makeup use products. So I'm back to filming. I know it is very difficult time for all of us, so right now I just took a break from my actual work to be able to sit down and film. So I really hope you enjoyed my video and found my recommendations helpful, and let me know what else you would like to see, and let me know what works for you as far as skincare. I am very curious to hear that. Alright, I will see you in another video. Goodbye.